Develop a beautiful relationship with yourself, because you are everything and everything is you. So many people are afraid, or they think they're going, if they don't do what man said do, if they don't do what man said do, they think they're going to burn in fiery hell. When your soul is fire in itself, we are everything and everything is us. So how can something harm you? You are harming yourself just by believing in that foolery that was forced upon you. So many people are in religion, but they don't know how they got there. All they know is it's been passed down from generation after generation. You know how you got there? Do you know how you got there? Do you know why you believe what you believe? Through fear. They showed you this shit. Unaliving our sisters and brothers right in front of us. Unaliving our ancestors right in front of us. Telling us if we don't convert, this is what's gonna happen to you. That shit is deeply embedded into your bloodline. Deeply embedded into your DNA. All that fear. Because your ancestors watched them unalive their brothers, their sisters, their husbands, their children. That's how you got there in that religion. What's for you don't have to be forced upon you. Make it make sense, religious folks. I love you. I'm not your enemy. You are your own worst enemy. You want to allow yourself to be loved on. You want to allow yourself to be uplifted. You want to allow yourself to be freed. I'm giving you the key. But you think I'm your enemy. Look in the mirror. That's your enemy. That's your enemy. Take accountability. Accountability is kryptonite to those who want to fight the truth. See what I'm saying? The truth don't care how you feel about it. I'm giving you the keys. Because I have been there where you are. I had to go through all that you going through. Them same demons that you are fighting, I done kicked their ass already. They scared of me. I done conquered that shit. Now, it's in my nature to teach you reflection. Because I have been there. I went through that. That's why we go through the things that we go through, so that we can experience that energy, that hurt, that pain, that suffering. So, because everything is vibrational frequency. That's why we go through the things that we go through, so that we can experience. But if you lie to yourself and tell yourself that you're not experiencing what you actually experiencing, then you are holding yourself back. You hating on yourself. You want to allow yourself to feel and grow, because you cannot heal without feeling it. See what I'm saying? You cannot heal it if you don't feel it. So stop playing that victim mindset, that soft ass shit. Motherfucker be so butthurt when they hear the truth. They want to report motherfuckers for telling them the truth, for speaking love into them and speaking life into them. Want to go tell master, oh, he spreading the truth. The fuck out of here, man. Motherfucker doing this for you. Not your enemy. Much gratitude to all the guys and goddesses that's speaking that truth, standing on it. You hear me? We out here on the front line for you, and you fighting against us. You helping the enemy destroy your ass. Make that shit make sense. You know that there is no unity in the religious community. You know that. Y'all ain't even unified. Don't you see the patterns? They don't want us unified. Let that shit sink in. Y'all even against y'all own religions. Y'all against y'all own religion. Y'all against each other in that fucking church. Gossiping about one another. Tearing each other down. So make it make sense. Come up out of that sleep spell. Because we came here to shake this bitch up. Much gratitude for y'all tuning in, beautiful souls. If anybody want to purchase any jewelry, the link is in the bio to the website. I have some beautiful jewelry, as you can see. The link is in the bio to my website. Y'all go check it out and see if there's anything y'all like. I have some high vibrational, beautiful jewelry. Love crafted. Inner child at peace, harmony, high vibrations. Come get you some. I'm spreading love all type of ways. Ashe. Y'all go check that website out and be on the lookout for them fake pages. They got 50 plus fake pages of me. They are trying to scam people. This is my only account under this name. So do not get scammed. And I don't do readings. And I won't be inboxing you trying to sell you anything. I don't chase, I attract. So if anybody with my picture and my name come in your inbox trying to sell you this and sell you that, that is not me, because I don't move like that. I attract. Magnetism. Love don't have to look for things. I am that I am. See what I'm saying? So do not get scammed. That's how hard the enemy works to try to throw dirt on your name. See what I'm saying? Try to keep you down. They censoring me. Shadow banning me because they don't want you to get this message. But yet they want to monetize